What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random. And right off the bat, I'm going to start this video off by saying we got a ton of work to do on the Crown Victoria. Actually, it's in the barn as we speak. This is going to be one hell of a project. Emphasize on the word hell. Make a little note of that. Make a little side note, a little mental note of that. It's going to come back to bite you in the ass later on. But either way, there it is. The Crown Victoria, or whatever is left of it. We got some work to do, boys. We got some work to do. I think it's because the tires turned a little bit to the right. Is that what's going on over here? Yeah. Okay, cool. I thought it was something wrong with my actual tie rods and all that stuff, my front end. Anyways, like I said, we got a lot going on here with the Crown Victoria, or lack thereof. Actually, a lot of the stuff missing from this car. But today's focus, the focus of today's video, a lot of you guys probably noticed that. I'm going to get to that in just a second. There's two things we're going to do in today's video for the Crown Victoria. Number one is this car is dead. And by dead, I mean there's something wrong with the electrical system. I'm going to have to try to rig something up. It's kind of like my forte. I'm really good at doing stuff like that. And I will bring this car back to life. I'm going to try to ground a couple of cables here. Well, I believe the problem is that the ground cable for the starter isn't fully grounded. So a lot of you might not know that a lot of ground cables are actually connected on the right hand fender and on the left hand fender. But the second thing we're going to focus on today's video is this big old 52-inch curved LED light bar. It's really not going to go exactly there. It's going to go on the roof. It's going to be a roof mounted light bar, but it's not going to be this far back. It's probably going to be a little bit forward. But our first focus of today's video is we're going to try to bring this thing to life. I want to hear this car roar back to life because it bothers me. I can't have it just be dead and hook up an LED light bar in the roof. It just really doesn't make any sense. So that's what we're going to focus on today's video. There's going to be a lot of electrical stuff going on. I really don't want to bore you guys with that. But if I'm successful, we shall find out, because I'm going to be starting this thing. This car hasn't been started in probably over a week, so it's going to be one hell of a cold start. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. All right, so a lot of like messed up hands later, a lot of curse words, literal blood, sweat, and tears. I got the whole starter rewired. There was a couple other things that was wrong with the fuel pump. I had to rewire that as well. I literally had to do my own thing for this. So as you can see, there's a cable running from the fuel pump all the way up to the frame. And then we come over here. Like I said, this isn't professional, but it works. Hopefully, I haven't turned on the car yet. I'm waiting for just the right moment so you guys can hear the first ever cold ass start. We got the starter cable, ground cable, even though it's red, that's all I had. It's coming all the way, bam, right there. We got another cable been grounded right there, rerouted from the actual engine. Like I said, it's not pretty. I'll fix all the cosmetic part about it later, but this is the moment of truth. Will the car start? Will the car start? It was a pain in the ass to do that, I swear to God. All right, so I'm gonna put the camera down, fingers crossed. I'm gonna put it right by the exhaust, and let's pray and let's hope with me, pray with me, guys, that this fucking car will turn on, okay? Because I'm getting tired of this. Here we go. You guys are gonna witness this live in the moment. It's alive! Oh my God, I can't believe that worked. I got it turned on. The Crown Vic is alive. Oh my God, guys, I'm so excited. Now I can actually install that damn light bar. I've only been at this for like 2 hours. Let's go ahead and install the damn light bar. All right, so it's day 2. Now, why is it day 2, you might be asking, when yesterday was day 1? Well, the reason it's day 2 today is because when it comes to the world of cars, nothing ever goes like you planned it to. I'll get to that in just a minute, but I ended up just saying, you know what, screw it, the hell with it. We're going to Walmart, we're getting ourselves a roof rack, and we're installing a roof rack with the light bar on the Crown Victoria. Now, the reason I decided to install the roof rack is because I got other plans for this thing. It's going to be absolutely ridiculous, but I originally wanted to install that really curved 52-inch long light bar. Unfortunately, it was too long for the roof of the Crown Vic. If you guys want to install a light bar on the roof of your Crown Vic, don't go with 52 inches, go with anything around 42, maybe 47 the most. But we're about to do a little bit of something I like to call Cuban engineering. For those of you who don't know what Cuban engineering is, stay tuned, you're about to find out. So let me go ahead and find a place somewhere here to set up this camera, and you guys are going to get a little Cuban engineering 101. Let's go ahead and get right into it.
They told him, don't you ever come around here. Don't wanna see your face, you better disappear. The fire's in their eyes and their words are really clear. So beat it, just beat it. You better run, you better.
Cuban ingenuity, baby.
Do what you can. Don't wanna see your blood, don't be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can.
Check this out. Mofo ain't going nowhere. Cuban ingenuity at its best. I gotta finish the other side, and then we get to see what it looks like on the car. All right, guys, and there it is. It's finally completed. You have no idea how hard this was, man. It took so long to hook this thing up, but it's finally done. It looks freaking badass. Like I said about the Cuban engineering thing, you see this bracket right here. I mean, this is literally just to kind of show you guys what it looks like. I still got a lot of cleaning up to do. I still got a lot of reinforcing to do. That is a 52-inch LED light bar, roof light bar, and it's not meant for a Crown Victoria. It is intended for a pickup truck, but as you guys can see, I rigged it up anyways. I made it work. What I did is actually a little bit poetic if you think about it. Those bars that are holding it up right there, those are actually from the prisoner partition that I removed. But there it is. It's starting to rain. It's not a good idea to have all these wires exposed and all that with the rain, but I wanted to show you guys the complete look. Man, I am one step closer to finishing the vision that I have for this car. Here's the switch, as you guys can see, bright as hell. Oh my god, look, I just love the way it reflects off the roof. Like I said, this car is super dirty. I still have a lot of cleaning up to do, but I wanted to show you guys the last product. Oh my god, that is so bright. Either way, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more to see what the hell it is I have planned for this Crown Victoria. I still gotta hook this up, I gotta wire it up, I gotta tighten it up. It's a little bit loose, as you guys can see. This car is kind of like in the mock-up version right now. This needs to come off as well. It's gonna have the wheels fully exposed. I'm gonna put spacers, the tires are gonna come out. I mean, I'm telling you, the vision I have for this car is absolutely freaking badass. Either way, I'm gonna let you guys go. I gotta put the car back. Hope you enjoyed the video, man. Take it easy.